I'm going to show you exactly how to create one of Canva's best animation hacks using the match and move transition. This is perfect if you want to make your presentations look smooth, cinematic, and professional instead of just static slides. And you can do this even if you are a complete beginner. No advanced animation skills are needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Open a blank canvas in Canva. On the left-hand panel, head over to Uploads and click on the image you want to reveal. Once it is added to your page, right-click on it and choose Set as Background. This will be the content we are going to reveal later. Next, press the R key on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Resize it so it completely covers the entire page. This will act as your concealer. After that, head over to Text on the left-hand panel and click Add a heading to create your title text. Customize the font style and color so it matches your presentation theme. Then press the T key to add a text box for your subtext or description. Now here is something important. Before typing your actual description, make sure to add a few spaces first. This will be useful later. The reason is that Canva automatically deletes elements that are completely outside the canvas. By keeping even a small part of the text box slightly inside the page, it will not get removed when we hide it. Now that we have the concealer, the title, and the subtext, we need the element that will move the concealer. Head over to Elements and search for something related to your presentation theme. For example, if your presentation is about travel, you can use an airplane. Add it to your page. Place the element slightly off to the side where you want the animation to begin. Then hide the subtext near the edge of the canvas where you want it to travel from. Remember, keep a tiny portion of it still visible inside the canvas so it does not get deleted. At this point, everything should be positioned in its starting frame. Once everything is set up, right-click on the page and select Duplicate. On the duplicated page, move everything to its final position. Slide the rectangle concealer off the page to reveal the background image. Move the element across the screen to its ending point. Resize or reposition the title if needed, and bring the subtext fully into view. Now make sure you're in Pages View or thumbnail mode at the bottom right of your screen. Hover your cursor between the two pages and click on the transition button. From the panel that appears, select Match and Move and adjust the speed to 2 seconds. Canva will now automatically animate the movement between the two frames. To test it out, click Present and watch your smooth reveal And that's it. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. You have just created one of Canva's most powerful animation hacks using match and move. If you want to learn the next animation hack that can instantly upgrade your presentations even more, click on the next video and I will show you hack number 2. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.